We are doing a video for the sole purpose of how to rebox the Anolon 12-piece dinnerware set. All right, go ahead and show them what it is. This video that we're doing is because my wife and I wanted to figure out how to rebox this. So what we did is we went to Bed Bath & Beyond, and we bought this set right here about a year and a half ago. And of course, if you're going to take it back, it needs to be in its box, and you got to have the receipt. Now their new policy is, which I didn't know at the time, 180 days. You either return it on the 179th day, or you're going to be stuck with it. And of course, it does have a limited or a lifetime warranty. And what that means is you're not going to be dealing with Bed Bath & Beyond. You're going to be dealing with the manufacturer. So here we are. We're going to open up this box, and we're going to see how to unpack it to repack it. And I do recommend this set right here because it is a very, very good set, but it's an expensive set. It's $299. So there it is. As you can see, everything is in there sideways. All right, back up. I don't think turning it is a good idea. Just like that. There you go. So let me spin it around and we'll start it off right. So everything is in here sideways. So we're just going to set it off like this right here. And we're going to take this first set out carefully. We'll try to be carefully. So as you can tell, that's the first thing. Okay, just like that. Okay, that will be the very first thing, or the very last thing that you need to put back. Okay, as you can see, inside there, it has a ring. It has a little separator. It has another pan, which this is your saucepan. This right here is to protect this pan from scratching the next pan. So we'll take that out. Okay. So here it is. Let me reiterate. This is your saucepan. Okay. Then this is your deeper pan, and it will actually set in there like so. Okay. And this is your divider. Okay. This is a little ring that will go on here to separate the saucepan. There it is. We'll put that off to the side. And here again, there's another ring that's going to protect the glass, just like so. Okay. This is your big quart pan, a couple of quarts. As you can see, there's a little square box in there. We'll take that out. There's your a little ring. I mean a lid. Okay. Then here's your bigger saucepan. No, it's not a saucepan. That's a, what do you call that?
Kind of, sort of.
That's kind of a pan. But anyway, it's got a little. It's got this in there. And it's got the little square ring in there, like so. Set that off to the side. Now, this is your divider, like so. Okay. This video is going to be backwards. Okay, so when you sit there and see this video, you got to do it backwards, because I'm not putting this thing back together. All right, inside here. Okay, like I said, that was where the big quart pan was at. And this is a frying pan. Okay, so we'll put that off to the side. Then you have the flat separator. Okay, we're gonna slide that out just like so. Okay, in there is gonna be a little saute pan, a little ring. We'll slide that off to the side. And here's your skillet. Just got a little ring in there. And that's pretty much about it. So yeah, watch the video in backwards, and it'll tell you how to put it back together. Because we had a trick trying to figure out how to put it back together. But like I said, this will slide out, and that's your pan. Goes in there like so. Slide it in there. Like I said, all this stuff was sideways. It doesn't stack. It's sideways. So I'm just gonna set all this stuff together. Give me a thumbs up. Appreciate you watching the video. Subscribe if this helps. If you got any comments, please post them below. And let us know if we can be any more of assistance. Because I'm telling you, I actually searched the whole video, the whole YouTube internet thing, and I just couldn't figure out how to put this thing back together. So I thought it would be important for the rest of you, guys, if you're planning on returning it. Also, I want to point out one thing. Like I said, Bed Bath & Beyond just passed a policy back in, I think it was June or July is what he told me. And after that, everything is 180 days. You have to bring it back to them if you plan on getting a refund or an exchange. Costco's would be a better place to go, because Costco's, doesn't matter how old it is. The guy told me, he says that it could be a year old, it could be 2 years old, 3 years old. You just buy it there, bring it back, and they'll exchange it. So I'm just throwing that out there. So I appreciate you all watching the video.